Okay, sorry. This line is a little bit bent. Okay. So what you have to do first, you have to do straight line, and again you have to write straight line, and then connect these two line in the middle part. Okay. This is the H, and this is one of the easiest letters, I think. If you write H, so then your I is also completed because I is also a straight line. Just depend one straight line. So in H, all the lines are straight. If your line is straight, so definitely your letters will look smooth and perfect. Okay. Try to write one line quickly. Yes, exactly. But you have to just slightly improve this part. This little lines is look like the middle parts here, but you are doing just like this. It's not so good. Just try to write the two sides, and this lines is look like in the middle positions. Okay. Yes, exactly. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. Try to write like this. Thank you so much. Now it's so wow, amazing. Thank you. H is now perfect. So the next letters is very easy because the straight line, if you want to write I, so you need to write the straight line because this this is the simple parts here. This looks like I and this spelling is also this is an easy letters I think. Look, this is the normal I and one of the easy letters I think. Just straight line. Your line is straight, so definitely your letters looks well. Exactly. You have to do like this. Okay. You try to write again.